Are my bones grinding away into dust? That's certainly how it can feel sometimes when you're dealing with joint pain every single day. It's that loss of tissue in between the bones. It's that white-hot aching stiffness in the knuckles, knees, elbows, neck, especially in the morning. For a long time now, people have been popping aspirin to deal with these nagging daily aches and pains. Today, I'd like to show you 4 superfoods that support strong, lasting joint health safely, naturally, and backed by science. Let's dig in. First, let's take a trip to a faraway forest, because there among the tundra is a certain pine tree that grows. This bark found at the very top of these trees has some amazing qualities. It only contains a highly concentrated amount of something called oligomeric proanthocyanidins. Oligomeric proanthocyanidins. Oligomeric proanthocyanidins. That's a big word. Took me a while to say it, actually. Which we're going to call OPCs, because I like to keep it simple. So this is the actual bark. This is what it looks like. They help slow the loss of connective tissues between the joints. That's that bone-on-bone feeling that we were talking about before. And it gets even better. OPCs are shown to help promote the growth of new connective tissues. Imagine getting your old joints back. They help promote a natural, healthy response to inflammation and reduce that fiery discomfort that comes along with it. Absolutely amazing. Our second is called Astaxanthin. Now, Astaxanthin, it's found in the crystal clear waters of the Himalayas. It's also found in Hawaii. Astaxanthin is what's called a carotenoid, and it's that reddish pigment in the algae that gives salmon its pink color. It's also a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help the body support a healthy response to inflammation. In nature, it works to protect the algae cells in harsh environments. In humans, it works the same way to protect our cells. Studies of the Health Research and Studies Center in Los Altos, California, show a reduction in joint discomfort after exercise. Next up, we have Holy Basil. I grow this in my garden. I absolutely love it. It's a potent adaptogen with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Our joints love this stuff. Last but certainly not least, one of my favorite gems, my friend, is turmeric. We keep coming back to turmeric because we find out more and more about this special stuff. It's a special compound in it called curcumin that we're after. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant with a double-sided advantage. It attacks free radicals, and it also increases the power of the body's natural antioxidant enzymes. Whew, that was a lot of information, I know. Did you learn about some foods that maybe you're excited to chase down? Do you have any questions we can help you with? Please feel free to let us know in the comments below. We love interacting and learning right alongside of you. I'm Drew Canoli. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, we're in this together.